Today I am to speak for some common errors which can be happen during the analysis of impurity or related substances study with the analyst. It is happened in the most of company for OS or investigation regarding RS test. It is doing lab error. So what can be the common factors and errors I am to discuss about this? Hi, I am pravendu Maity. Regarding me, I have to say that I have experience about 22 years in pharmaceutical fields in quality control, and I am also related right now with a very famous company. Now I am coming to the points. First point, before analysis, we wash that volumetric flask, pipettes, and your motor and pistols, etc. And during this, some of we use the Tefal or any other lab washing material. So these are very thick and with attached with that your motor pistol or your volumetrics or glasswares. And during washing, because of our less awareness that are attached with this, so this also incorporated in your main material unknowingly. This is happened. Second is your during crushing of that tablets or mixing with the powders, you use motor and pestle, and sometimes there may be some small teeny cracks with that your pestles or mortar, which are used to crush or mix the powders. And same are used for another product also. So what will happen? Your previous product material or APIs can take trapped by this crack of your motor and pestle. So although you wash it, but it is not completely removed out. So what will happen? This previous material will take entry in your next material. There is a second point. And third point is, it is in the mind that during your analysis of related substances test or your impurity test, somebody think that they should not sonicate much more or remove the sonication for dissolving that APIs or powders or impurity what is present in that sample. So because of that, they will take it and will mix it by hand like this and will use or can sonicate very less time because of that thinking. So what will happen? Your material will not be dissolved properly. So it can be happened your main material or active material which is claimed that will dissolve less. With this, your impurity and related substances also will dissolve less. So you will got it in your analysis less amount. Suppose it is in your stability testing. What will happen? In previous station or previous month, you will get a particular amount, and next month you are getting less. So how this can possible? Because of this type of dissolve problem or less sonication or less mixing. Now about your dilution. When you use your pipettes to dilute the previous solutions, so sometimes it is in mind of analyst, they will wash the pipettes. Suppose this is your pipettes. It is your pipettes. This is the tip and this is your opposite side by which will suck by your bubbles or bubblers. So some analyst wash it with diluent and just before use this with that diluent or solvent mixture by sucking this like this and remove it through backwards. So there is thinking that By this way, it will be washed properly because from here it is take entry and from here it is remove out. Till this is okay. It will washed properly. But after that, when it will be used with a bubbler like this, so here possibility of drops of that your solvent or your diluent attached with this. So you use a bubbler like this, which is used also previously with separate product. So you will attach like this. So what will happen? Your drops, what is attached with this, it will take anything is already contaminated with the bubbler opening. So we'll be dissolve it and there are chances to commit slowly with this pipette. So previous material also will take entry with your next dilution. It is a fact. And same also will be very useful for assay test also. So what we'll do, we should suck from here tip like this, but would not be sucked till here. It will just upper of your mark. Suppose here is your mark. Here is your mark. You will suck is like this, not like the end, and we'll leave it to remove from here only. And don't force by your bubbler to remove it easily, because with the force bubbler, from the bubbler some contamination can be goes entry with this. This is the point. And another point is it is happened that analyst wash all it, your pipettes, your volumetric flask, your mortar pestle, but they forgot to take the stopper of this volumetric to wash, or they take differently used your stopper. So from that stopper it can be incorporated the impurity which is undeser to this main solution. There is a points. And also sometimes it is happened the people who are working, they are using lab coat, and that lab coat are not changed every day. So what will happen? After washing or after using or after analysis, there is a habit to rub this hand with the apron sides. So if you watch, you will find so many colors, so many materials are attached with the apron, the side your hips, like that, because of this habit. So when you will do the analysis, you will again touch here and will put your stopper like this. So from your apron, your previous product will goes to your stopper, and when you put it and shake it like this, so it will incorporate it. So there the procedure must be, if this is stopper have the holding tips like that, you will put like that, not like this. So these are some small common mistakes which are happening, which will leads to get a errors or invalid OS during analysis of your related substances or impurity study. Thank you very much. Bye. See you again.